Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, March 24th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos from Friday. And on Friday, the Euro US dollar came in number one, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the Euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the Euro dollar did continue to push down pretty nicely. Now there is definitely a chance this is an ABC correction, so we do have to be aware of that. I personally think it probably is a 1, 2, 3, especially looking at the higher time frames. If that's the case, then most likely it's probably going to make like a 1, a 2, and then go back down for a wave 3. But if it really is a wave C, instead of making like a 1, 2, 3 or an ABC, it'll make a 1, 2, 3 and just keep on going up, which I'll show you on the 1 hour time frame. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, if it does go up, if it does break structure, then this is definitely the end of a trend. So either it is a wave C and it's just going to turn into a complete trend reversal, or what I think is more likely is it's a wave 1 of a wave C to the downside, and this move up will probably be like a wave 2, and eventually it will go down for a wave 3. Now, just in case it does continue the uptrend, I will be looking to get long at the end of this wave B or 2 for the continuation of it's either going to be a 3 of 2 or it's going to be a C of 2. So either way, we should better recognize it. As soon as I get a break of structure, I'll throw my Fibonacci retracement on here, and we can learn and earn at the same time whether this is an A or 1, whether this is a B or 2, or whether it just keeps on trending up for a 3, or makes a wave C and turns back down. So, as always, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website, linked down here in the corner. As always, thanks and happy trading.